Here we go.
It's the place fun never ends. Take your pick and click. Ned and Friends.
Welcome to Ned Shorts.
Hey there, I'm Kyle. This is my buddy Ned, and today we're gonna work on tap dancing. So I've been tapping since I was about 8 years old, and I really love tapping because it's such a versatile style of dance. You can do a rhythm tap, which is more grounded and emotional. Or you can do a Broadway style tap, which is more lifted and carefree. The possibilities are totally endless. And today we're gonna focus on two of the building blocks in the tap choreography vocabulary, flaps and shuffles. But with tap dancing, there are a couple things that Ned and I need to address for tap safety. One, ask your parents where you should practice. So I'm tapping on this piece of plywood to help protect the floor of my house, but if you don't have any plywood, then a great option would be somewhere outside where you have permission. Just ask your parents first. Two, you don't need actual tap shoes to learn and grow. So you can learn a bunch of the fundamentals and basics by practicing in tennis shoes, just like Ned, right bud? And then once you practice a lot and get better, you can maybe graduate to some real life tap shoes in the future. Oh, also, before we get started, if you need to see a step again or anything, you can totally pause or rewind the video. Pause or rewind the video whenever you want. Let's get started. A flap can be broken down into a brush and a step, like this. Brush, step, brush, step. Let's practice flaps on the right foot. Try it with me. Brush, step, 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 brush, step. Now the left foot. Brush, step, 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 brush, step. Now a little faster once you practice a little more. Brush, step, brush, step. Brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. Okay, so now we're gonna work on one of the major building blocks in all of tap, the shuffle. The shuffle consists of two brushes, brushing forward and brushing back. Let's try some shuffles. Brush, 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 brush. Now the left, brush, 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 brush. So shuffles are a great warm-up because they help to loosen up our ankles, which eventually will help us to get cleaner sound when we're doing more advanced steps. So let's practice a shuffle warm-up that I normally do when I'm getting ready to practice for the day. And once you get a little more consistent with your shuffles, you can do some rolling shuffles like this. Or even something like this. How are you doing, Ned? Hey, Ned. I know it can be a little difficult, even for me sometimes. I've been tapping for a while, but if I haven't been practicing a lot, my left foot can get a little sloppy with the sounds. I know it sounds kind of funny, but since I'm right foot dominated, if I haven't been thinking a lot about my left foot, then it can get a little off track. And then you know what? Maybe you can't do it right at this moment, but with a little practice and perseverance, maybe you could be the next Ned Astaire. If you want to learn more and follow Ned and Friends, give us a like and subscribe. Have an awesome day. Keep on tapping.